Look, if you're a business owner, it's time out for you to be searching all over the internet for the best business bank accounts for your business. In this video, I'm going to give you 6 business bank accounts that you can get set up as soon as today that have great benefits and can get you access to massive amounts of funding. So let's head over to my computer and break everything down. All right, we are at my computer, and as you see here, the 6th bank on my list is going to be US Bank. This is a major institution, and for the most part, they're in all 50 states. Now, at the making of this video, you'll be able to get access to $800 when you open a US Bank account, and then you go ahead and complete qualifying activities, and this offer is valid through April 2nd of 2024. So if you're watching this video past April 2nd of 2024, I'm sure they'll have another great offer going on, so you'll be covered even if you're watching this video past then. So this is how you can earn the bonus for these accounts. The first thing is you're going to open a US Bank business checking account. It could be the silver, gold, or platinum, which we'll go over in a minute. And then you need to deposit $5,000 or $25,000 in new money within 30 days of account opening and maintain that for at least 60 days after the account has been open. So as we see here, it says $350 when you deposit $5K, and then you get $800 when you deposit $25K. What this is kind of doing is increasing your bank rating with the bank. So, in the future or at the time of setting this up, if you want to try to go get business funding, having this increased bank rating over a 90-day period will help you get, larger approval limits. But as we see here, you're going to get online mobile banking, which is always good, and then you're going to get options to get no monthly maintenance fees. So the first way is, it says pay no monthly maintenance fee for the silver business checking account, which is good. And then for the gold and platinum packages, you got to meet certain criteria to get the monthly maintenance fees waived. So here are the accounts here. As we see, silver business checking account, no monthly maintenance fees, 125 free transactions per month. And the gold and the platinum, which is $20 monthly maintenance fee for the gold, and then $30 monthly maintenance fee for the platinum. So, you got to kind of decide which one works best for your business. I think for most startups and, businesses that are a year to 2 years in business, the silver business checking is plenty fine. Now, I won't get into this too much, but US Bank does have some great business funding options, especially when you're talking about business credit cards. As we see here at the making of this video, you can get access to this US Bank Business Platinum card, which gets you 0% interest for 18 months. That's a very long time. You can get access to this even just with opening this business checking account. So that's something to consider if you're looking for business funding. They got a lot of great cards. Another one is the US Bank Triple Cash Visa. You can get $500 in cash back after you spend $4,500 on the account's opening. And this is after 150 days after the account's been open. So another good card. They got lines of credit, a bunch of different things. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell for notifications so you will be notified every time I drop a new video. And the 5th bank on my list is going to be a bank that I'm sure you've never heard of before. So the 5th bank on my list is going to be WesBanco Bank. This is a regional bank. It's only in a few select states. I'm going to list those states on the screen right now so you can take a look at it. But with this account, we're looking at the business builder checking. They have about 3 to 4 different business bank accounts. And I feel like for most business owners, especially like startups, things like that, this is going to be the one that you most need. We see that you're going to need $50 to open the account and get everything started. And then they have a monthly maintenance fee of $10, but you can maintain a minimum balance of $500 and reduce that to $5. Or you can enroll into e-statements to further reduce the monthly maintenance fee by $5. So you can completely wipe the fees out if you just maintain $500 and then go ahead and enroll into basically e-statements to go ahead and knock that monthly maintenance fee all the way out. And then also too, as we see here, you're going to be able to process 200 items fee-free for the statement cycle. So every 30 days basically, or whenever the statement cuts, you'll be able to have 200 items that can be processed through this account, and then it's 25 cents per item over $200. So again, this is perfect for anybody that's in these states and want to go ahead and get access to this bank. Now, the number one reason I put this bank on this list wasn't so much for the business bank account, even though it's really good, but it was really for the business funding options that they have available. So they have a pretty good business business credit card right here. It's called the Visa Business Cash Preferred Card. As you see here at the making of the video, you're going to get 3% cash back on eligible purchases at gas stations, cell phone service providers, office supply stores, and on dining, including takeout and food delivery services. And then you're going to get a $100 annual software credit. And then you're going to get 1% unlimited cash back on all other purchases. And then you get $25 cash back awarded after the first purchase. So this is really good. This is a situation where this is underwritten by another institution called Elan Financial. So just be aware of that. They do a hard pull on TransUnion. Just give you some quick data points on how to get this, but they have what's called a business line of credit. If you're familiar with that, it's kind of a hybrid between a business credit card and a kind of like a business loan. So I want to go over that really quick because I think that's where the sweet sauce is on this bank. So this is WesBanco's business line of credit. This is really, really good. As we see here, it's called the Small Business Flex Line of Credit. And this is what it offers. You're going to be able to get a line of credit that you can draw funds on as needed. And the limits are between $10,000 and $50,000. And that's the loan amount that you can get access to. It's a credit score based approval. So what that means is it's no docs, no financial docs needed for the most part. It's unsecured. So you don't have to, put up any collateral or anything like that. And this is really good. So basically what this is a no doc line of credit. You can get up to $50,000. And some information that I do have on this is that you're going to be able to get 10% of the stated business revenue amount. So the fourth bank on the list is none other than JP Morgan Chase. Everybody knows this bank. It's a big one. And they do have some great business checking accounts. As we see here, you can get $400 when you open a business complete checking account with qualifying activities for new business checking customers. So let's go down and take a look here. So we have the Chase Business Complete Banking. We have the Chase Performance Business Checking. Then we have the Chase Platinum Business Checking. Again, for most people, you always want to go with the easiest one, the low hanging fruit. So it's going to be the Chase Business Complete Banking. So as we see here, you can get the monthly service fee waived if you achieve $2,000 of minimum daily balance deposits or from Chase Quick Accept or the Chase Inc. business credit card purchases. All right. So that's one way to get this fee free. So Chase does have some great business credit cards. The one I want to recommend the most is probably going to be the Inc. Business Cash. This is a great card. No annual fee, 0% interest for 12 months, as we see right here. And then you get 5% cash back on select business categories. It's going to be categories like utilities, restaurants, office supply stores, things like that you'll be able to get 5% cash back on. So again, this is a great card. No interest as well for 12 months. No annual fees. Just is easy to get. And I definitely recommend this card if you're going to go with a Chase Business Bank account and want to pair it with a business credit card. So number 3 on my list is going to be Wells Fargo. I know a lot of people don't like this bank for some reasons back in the past when, they were doing a lot of shady and shicey stuff. But hey, they do have some great business products and they do give out some good business funding as well. So let's talk about it a little bit. As we see here, they got 3 different options that you can get started with when setting up a business bank account. They have the Initiate Business Checking, the Navigate Business Checking, and they have the Optimize Business Checking. Like I said, I always want to go with the lowest monthly maintenance fee version, and that's going to be the Initiate Business Checking. As we see here, it says for the ambitious business owner seeking a stable foundation, Initiate Business Checking gives you digital tools and support you can count on, and is designed for businesses with lower balances and fewer financial transactions. And as we see here, you can avoid the monthly service fee with one of the following options. Okay, you can do a $500 minimum daily balance, or you can have a $1,000 average ledger balance. So guys, Wells Fargo does have some great business credit cards coming out. Be on the lookout. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I will be dropping a video when these come out. They were supposed to come out the end of February, but they haven't just yet. So just be on the lookout for that video if you want to get more information on the business credit cards that Wells Fargo has. All right, so I wanted to touch on the Wells Fargo unsecured business line of credit. Now, you do have to have 2 years in business to be able to get access to this. But as you see here, you can get up to $50,000 in a revolving line of credit with this bank. and you get rates as low as the prime rate plus 4.5%. So that's pretty good there. And the second bank on my list is going to be none other than Truist Bank. I try not to have favorite banks, but I can't lie, this is definitely one of my favorites for sure. It's a regional bank. I put the states that it's in up on the screen right now, but they have a lot of great options. They're really business friendly as well. So let's kind of go ahead and go through it a little bit. They got two main options for getting set up with the business bank account. They have the simple business checking and they have the Truist community checking. This is going to be for your nonprofit businesses, things like that. So if that's you, that's the option you will go with. Or you can go with the simple business checking, which is pretty straightforward. There's no monthly maintenance fees on this one as well. And again, it's super simple. It's super easy to get this one set up, and they got a lot of great options. So let's kind of touch on the business funding side of things with Truist, because this is where they're really shine. And as we see here, they got a lot of different business credit cards. The ones I would recommend would be this one first, the Truist Business. You get 0% interest APR for 12 months. This is really good. No annual fee. So if you kind of want to maximize no interest on your business credit cards, this is the option for you. But they got a cashback card that's pretty good. They got a more high level rewards card that has an annual fee. They got a lot of great stuff. They got lines of credit as well. If you're in real estate, they'll help you get real estate loans. A bunch of different options for Truist. So now we are down to the number one bank on my list, and it's actually going to be a fintech company. So the number one bank on my list for a business bank account is going to be Novo Bank. So they are an online bank, and your money will be kind of held and secured by a bank called Middlesex Federal Savings. But this bank is just, in my opinion, it's great for anybody that has any type of online business. Like you have like your dropshipper, e-commerce, Shopify, maybe you have like some type of online service business, or, whatever. If any type of online business you have, I think this is a great option for you. They don't have multiple different types of business bank accounts. It's just one. They really don't have any fees as well. It is FDIC insured. I know a lot of people are curious about that when they're dealing with online banks. You see right here, your deposits are insured for up to $250,000 through their partner bank, which I just went over, which is Middlesex Federal Savings. But they got a lot of great features, guys. A lot of great features. You can create invoices like directly through the software on your dashboard when you open up a business bank account. So that's really neat. They got a lot of different integrations as well. Like I said, this is very online business friendly. So you use like Stripe for your payment processing, or Square, or maybe you got a team and you guys communicate through Slack, or you got a Shopify store, maybe you use PayPal, Etsy. Like they got a lot of different integrations that can plug right into your business bank account, and it just makes managing things a lot easier. All right, so I did want to get into the business funding side of things on Novo a little bit. They're just kind of getting into the business funding game, but you do have the ability to get access to up to $75,000 on a business line of credit from Novo. Now you do have to, have a business that's kind of been cash flowing for at least about 6 months. I would say the sweet spot is about 10K to 20K. If you're in that range a month, then you'll be able to get access to this. And if you're a business owner, maybe you already have like a 680, 700 credit score, and you're looking to get business funding, but you don't know which banks to go to, and you need help with a funding strategy, go ahead and click the link in the description. It'll take you to the page where you can book a totally free strategy call with us. We'll go ahead and sit down with you, analyze your business, see what's going on. And on that call, we'll kind of see if it makes sense for us to partner with you and help you build a custom funding strategy and give you access to our banking contacts with a lot of these banks to help you get the business funding that you need. So if that interests you in any way and you're kind of ready to invest in a guaranteed solution, go ahead and click that link in the description, and then you can book a call with us as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for notifications so you will be notified every time I drop a new video. And if you want to learn some more information about business funding and you want to see the top business credit cards in 2024, go ahead and watch this video that's on the screen right now. I go over all the top business credit cards in 2024 right now. So click that video and I'll see you in that one.